Hey guys, what's going on? Hey, I gotta show you this. You've seen the Raspberry Pi before. That's this one here. And I got this. I don't know if it's actually called a breakout board, but it's what it does is it moves the SD card from the back here, and then you can have it in the front. See what I mean? And of course the Raspberry Pi. This is the Raspberry Pi 4 8 MB RAM. I'm sure. I can't see it down there, but I'm sure it's the Model B. I can see that, but that says 2018. So, but I'm sure it's the 8 GB of RAM, because the other two I have are 4. So anyway, you got a gigabit Ethernet port there, and next to it you got two 3.0 USB ports, two 2.0 USB ports, of course the cooling fan, and it has RGB light in there. And let me show you the other side of this, where this is connected to the back, because right, of course, right in there, that's where the SD card would go. So you connect it. It's like an L-shaped type of connector. So just brings it to the front. And then this breakout board has one USB port here in the back. I tried to use like a keyboard and or a mouse, and I couldn't get to work with that, but it might be something else. And this connector, I have to work on it to see what you can connect there, because it's a 5 volt. And then on the Raspberry Pi, it has the USB-C port, 2 HDMI micro HDMI ports. Now this one right here with the white along there, that's for a camera. This is the audio input there, or port. What else was I was thinking when I got this, I'm going micro, huh? You could have put like one HDMI, or you probably could have squeezed 2 on there if it was, if they were able to. I don't know if if it would like cause a lot of anguish trying to, because you'd have to start with a new board and everything. But anyway, here's the breakout board, and it changes the, you hook this up to this one, and it becomes the from micro HDMI to full size HDMI here. And here's your audio jack here, 3.5 millimeter, and here's the power input, the USB-C. So these things are fun. You go on and you can like these GPIO pins here, I forget how many there are, but like the fan here is hooked up for power because of the fan and the RGB lights. But anyway, that's I like messing with these kind of things. I have I think I have, because see, this is a computer. This little freaking thing right here is a computer. You can go online. It's not like your normal PC, that has Google Chrome. This has Chromium, and then it has all other tools. It's got a Office suite, things like that, and it's not for everyday use, but it'll get the job done. And but I have fun with them. And but anyway, just wanted to show you guys that. I don't think I showed it with the breakout board, and I'll call this one a breakout board too, but it's not really. But it just puts everything right in the front versus right on the side. So anyway, guys, have a good day now, and we will catch you later. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like the video or dislike, it's your choice. And we will see you next time. Take care, everyone. Bye now.